Dear student, welcome to NIVS Home School. Hope you are doing well at your home. This is Ayesha Siddiqua Sara, Assistant Teacher of Arts and Craft and National Ideal English School, morning shift. Today I am going to take a class for class nursery. Look, nursery's class topic is rectangle without color, term half yearly, and lecture number 4, SW number also 4. So student, when you submit your SW or do your SW, you will write down first your topic name like this: RECTANGLE, rectangle without color. So 9 rectangle is your HW, rectangle. So HW is 9 rectangle. Draw at least 9 rectangle, and rectangle draw like this. First draw a straight line, give another straight line like this, draw a line here and here, okay, and give here 2 eyes like this. Give a smiley face like this. If you want, you can draw here another line like this. So this one is your rectangle. When you draw your HW, you just draw only rectangle. No need to draw this type of face or this type of line. Okay, draw 9 rectangle. And suppose, very carefully look at this. Suppose this one is your copy. Okay, this one is your copy. Look this, no one will. Suppose this is the copy. Okay, this is the copy, and write down here topic, date, HW number, and then draw here the rectangle like this: 1, 2, 3, and another 6 you will draw on this space. So dear student, when you draw your rectangle, you must be careful about that. It won't be square. Square and rectangle is the different things. Square have all lines are same, that means 4 lines, but rectangle have 2 lines same. The wide line same and the length line is same. So my dear student, practice at your home no more today and submit your SW every Saturday 9 AM to 3 PM. Thank you.